Today we're going on an adventure. We got the summer board chilling with me right here, and I just dropped my car off at a place to get the oil changed. So we are going to summer board in this beautiful mountain town. Obviously we're at a lake right now. We got mountains with snow on them. It's fall, the leaves are changing, and we're gonna summer board from here. It's like a couple miles, maybe like 2 or 3 miles to the dealership. We're gonna go get my car. And this is a 360 video. If you haven't figured that out yet, you can look around, look at anything you want. The summer board is this electronic skateboard that rides like a snowboard. It's insane, and I'll talk about more on this ride. But enough talking, let's get going. I'm really excited for this ride. It's going to be a beautiful one. This path is super fun as well. There are some bridges that the summer board can handle pretty well, but sometimes the bridges might knock me off. Just be aware of that. This thing can run over virtually anything. Makes turning really easy. I'm gonna do my best to not cough at you guys too. I recently got over pretty bad sickness. This is a better shot right here. The lake or pond, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be interesting. Real bumpy. There we go. We're leaving the pond area, and actually we're going to be rolling up on this pretty rad river area. I always think it's funny when I pass people. I got this like mega long pole. I'm on an electric skateboard. I got microphones and helmets. The river's right over here. But I probably look like a crazy influencer person. Pretty river, yellow trees. A lot of our leaves actually have fallen off this huge windstorm the last 2 days. Should also have the speedometer going too, so you can see how fast we're rolling on this thing. It can go 27 miles per hour, which is absolutely insane. It can go 12 miles in distance as well. So we'll definitely have enough juice for today's adventure. These bridges are not in the best shape anymore. As I say, I could probably get bounced off on them. Summerboard handles wood bridges well when the wood's not rotten to the core. Also, we've done a lot of hand passing. Holding this pole out does slightly become the forearm burn. If you're wondering what camera this is too, this is the Insta360 X3. It is a camera sponsor as well. I'll have it linked in the description, but it does have the invisible pole, the ability to attach microphones like I have right now, so we can get nice audio on top of, you know, the speedometer with the. Sorry, I'm trying to ride this thing and plug at the same time for the speed and all that type of stuff. The GPS function on the camera, it's insane. That's linked in the description if you want to get a camera for stuff like this. Dude, look at these mountains. Absolutely gorgeous right now in Summit County, Colorado. Hi there. This section has like all the leaves falling off. The 360 real quick. Bring you guys in for a second. My arms get a rest. as we rip through this neighborhood. It's crazy, the bike paths system in this county. It's awesome being able to do these trails and take you guys on really fun adventures like this one. And like I said, I just got to go run an errand today, and we're gonna do it with the summer board. I don't know if you see me busting over these cracks, and the summer board's absolutely destroying them. Touched you guys to the ground, sorry about that. Sure, the microphone didn't pop out. It's nice when you can get on a street and like really ride those turns. Heel side edge, toe side edge. This is what really makes it feel like you're snowboarding and really works out those snowboard muscles, you know, because this is how you would be ripping a run on a snowboard. So I'm engaging all the same muscles that I'd be engaging on my snowboard right now. I freaking love this thing for like getting ready for the ski season. It's so nice. If you guys want one of these for the workout, the fact that it's just rad and awesome and cool, I do have a code that will save you $100. It's code BUCK100. Summerboard is a sponsor of this channel. Sorry. Ugh. These 360 ones are uncut, so something like that I would have taken out. The Summerboard is a sponsor of this channel. You can take this thing into terrain parks and rip and ride them as well, which is super fun. I say terrain parks like I'm snowboarding. Skate parks. Or you can just ride trails like this. Like the trail riding aspect is so fun. I've had a blast ripping trails on this thing. Now we should be getting next to a lot of beautiful trees. Oh, this really cool bridge we're about to go over. I don't want to extend the pull out for the bridge. Bird's eye view. Crossing the river. We have a couple more bridges on our adventure today that are going to be the more challenging bridges with that wood rot that I was talking about. But we're going to give her our best go. I've skated these paths for years, and it's like you can tell like what sections need to be updated. Oh, this is gorgeous. All the leaves on the what sections of the path like the roots have destroyed or cracks have settled in and just brutal. It's not like pristine like it used to be. Thank you guys. Alright, wish me luck on this bridge. They have signs that say like please don't skate across these bridges. Like I didn't see it. Woo, we're ripping. I think this is our last bridge on our adventure today. Oh, we made it. Man, that bridge is tough. Tough bridge. Change hands, my hands are burning. Wow. Right next to the beautiful river. A lot of the snow melted off the peaks already today because the sun came out. But we got a good dusting on the 13ers and stuff, which was nice to see. Thank you. Hey, they ripped this building down and they're building a new one. That's crazy. Looks like they're expanding the library. That's new. Cool to see. Oh, I made a wrong turn. We got some dirt and curb. Wrong turn in the sense of that crud, but we rode through that like nothing on the summerboard. Here we go. Ripping. Got a stop sign. I'm going. I am speed. So fast. It's so nice how fast this thing accelerates. So if I want to get in that situation, like, oh, I can beat that car. I just wanted to ride over here to the skate park, and once again mentioned, you can take this thing to the skate park and hit rails and jumps. It's so rad. I've had so much fun ripping this in the skate park. Skate park right there. I've decided to, the ski season's like about to start. So when it comes to sending it in the skate park, we have toned that down. That ship has sailed for this summer because your boy's not trying to get hurt. Obviously, I stopped skateboarding too. Like, all insane summer activities that we do, we've toned those down because the bread and butter is about to kick off, which is the ski season. Watch me kill this section right here. So we're gonna turn here. We're gonna pop up here. Dude, this thing is so fun to rip through like a city, neighborhood, not just trails. Dude, I just hit the biggest curb or crack, and that was brutal. But it's more fun to like find a huge, fat, open parking lot or chunk of pavement where you don't have to worry about cars. Rip around. That's kind of where we're at right now. Hand swap. Oh man, this parking lot's disintegrating, slowly falling apart. Not as nice as it used to be. They ripped out the buildings that were here, so it's like a big old empty lot that you can come like practice the summerboard on. 360s. I made a whole how-to video on how to do that 360 too. If you don't have that, you can check it out. We got across the main highway. We're gonna go underneath it. I think it's the best route for crossing the summerboard. So back onto that trail we were on earlier. Crazy how this all like links together and connects, and it's so fun. We're about to go into this rad tunnel. See the better shot right here. River and everything. Alright, we do got some people. What's up? I don't know who you are, but if you're watching this video, I would have stopped, but this is a single cut video. So we gotta keep this thing rolling. Now we've crossed the main highway. We are almost to the dealership. So if you have not been sold on the summer board yet with this video, with me just cruising and ripping around town, I don't know how else to sell you. This thing is fast, fun. It's trickable if you ever want to get more into it. More river for you guys. Once again, code BUCK100 saves you money on it. And they're supporting me, man. Like, the guys at Snowboard are so rad. And I can't thank them enough for putting me on the team, let me go rip rail with them, all kinds of fun stuff. This has been awesome. And these boards are tanks, man. I've beat the crap out of this thing, and it's still running just fine. Ride over a bunch of sand and gravel, no problem with that. Sketchy, but we have made it to the dealership where I can get my car. But I don't even need a car, man. I got the summer board. Once again, I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. Don't judge the beatness up. It's so beat up. But these wheels, they spin 360 degrees, and you use these wheels to stop and turn like a snowboard. You have these bindings on top. Got a big old battery. Thing is insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this 360 video, be able to look around and see whatever you wanted. If you did, like, subscribe. Also, if you like snowboard content, subscribe. And as always, thanks for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.